many of you guys have experienced mortgage loan rejection? Okay, how many of you guys come and comment with me? I want to hear from you guys. Later I'll go and check in the Facebook also. I want to know how many of you guys have experienced mortgage loan rejection. Okay, mortgage loan rejection is actually, I also like to share, it's something like you're totally unclear what is happening. When they say reject means you also don't know why. Alright, this is the situation. I have experienced got rejected. They will also never tell me why. Okay, so to avoid this uncertain where we don't know what is happening, okay, in our application, and what can we do better so that next round when we go and apply, we can get the easy approval, or maybe we know the amount of loan is too high or what. So to solve this problem, okay, that is why we have invited our speaker today. Okay, the topic that's going to be brought by Mr. Andrew, he's the CEO of Smart Choice Solutions in Berhad. He got 20 years experience in mortgage loan and financial services industry, and he is a Malaysia mortgage loan champion in the year of 2017, 18, 19, and 2020 as well. A few years already in the row, and he is also a head of BNI Malaysia Event Council for 2020 and 2021. Very high profile person. Okay, he's gonna spend, thank you very much, the speaker, right, willing to spend a little bit of his precious time on sharing with us how to prepare loan document and personal profile for mortgage loan.
Thank you again for MCM invite me as a speaker again. Just have a presentation, I think last 2 months in August. So thanks again for Surin. I think we know each other almost about 4 to 5 years already, and our Uncle Lim also lah. Okay, so like what Surin said, this is my profile. So thank you so much for introduction about me. Okay, so don't want to waste the time. So if you have any question, please key in the chat. Just share my experience in these 20 years. So how we help our client to approve their loan and buy property every year also. Okay, good. So I always like this joke. Sila duduk and jangan lari. Okay, then we listen to our topic now. Okay, good. So today's topic will be how to prepare the loan document and personal profile also. Okay. Okay, first, just a case processing, how the loan processing. First, you need to check the market value. Either you buy the property or refinance. Except you buy the new launch property, yes, you don't need to check the market value. Just follow the S&P price only. Okay, second, you need to check income document. This is our topic for today. Later, I will explain in more detail. Number 3, your secret report. This one very important because this one is your profile. Then we'll teach you how to build your profile in the secret report. Number 4, then after done everything with the income document and secret report, then we'll advise which is the best package and choose the best package in the shorter time because different bank have different package. So we'll advise the best. Number 5, after the bank will take about 5 to 7 working days for approval. Number 6, then if for freehold property, it will be 3 months. If for leasehold property, roughly about 6 months or so. Okay, good. So, like what we mentioned, the income document, actually we got 3 types. Number 1 is a fixed salary earner. This one is the most easy to get approval from bank because bank like this profile client. We just need 3 month payslip, 3-month bank statement, or EA form, or EPF will do. Okay, some of the listed company, we even though need 1 month payslip will do already. Okay, second, the self-employed over here. Then the more important is a 6-month company bank statement. Another one is the director income tax plus the receipt also. Then all the some document like SSM, Form 24, 49. This is the document for the self-employed. Okay, so number 3 is a commercial earner. I will explain more in detail what is the commercial earner. So we need 6 months for this commercial earner. Okay. Then after that, some of the income document, if the 6-month pay slip cannot provide, then we need to teach them how to declare the income tax. So the more important, how much you want to buy, we print the secret report. You got how many commitment, then we work backward how much you need to make the income tax declare. Okay. Then supporting document, a lot of people lack of this. Actually, in the rental income, in this MCO, we help a lot. In this MCO, we help a lot because we use the rental income as the income also. Then we also do a lot of high net worth. High net worth means you got a lot of saving, share, FD. Later, I will explain more in detail also. Okay. So a lot of people like renter, they collect cash. If you intend to buy more property, don't collect cash. You ask the tenant to bank in to your bank statement, or you bank yourself. But don't use your personal bank and bank in your personal bank. Bank will know also. This not considered as an income. Okay, please take note. Okay, good. A lot of people say, hey, what is DSR? DSR, the full term is debt service ratio. Debt service ratio means how much your commitment. Okay, like DSR is total monthly repayment over the total net income. Then what is total net income? Yes, a lot of people receive the money is called gross income. But the total net income will be your total income minus your total deduction. Okay, the total deduction, later I will explain more in detail also. Like what I mentioned is the income group of 3. Just now I already mentioned. Okay, good. Then the salary earner, the total income will be your basics. Allowance we consider as an income also, like handphone, petrol, overtime, commission, and bonus. This bonus sometimes help us a lot to get the loan approval. Okay, the total deduction normally is EPF, social, then some tax deduction, and some of the government stuff will be Angkasa or cooperative loan. Okay, business owner, a lot of bank looking for at least 2 years, but some of the bank at least 3 years. So if you want to use your company to buy property or company income, so the company at least 3 years. Then after that, go some total deduction on here. Then the commission earner, this is the commission earner like our real estate agent, the MLM, insurance life planner, or unit trust. So all this because of you to a commission. Like commission, normally we take for the last 6 months commission. Some of the bank only consider 50%. But some of the bank consider 70, but for 3 bank consider 100%. So normally, just now I mentioned the commission earner will be submit to few of the bank that consider 100%. Then very easy to get approval also, including myself. I also use the 100% 6-month commission also. Okay. Then after that, how to build your personal profile. This is the secret report. Sometimes, if possible, go and print your secret report either online or Bank Negara. Because due to MCO, Bank Negara site closed, so we can print online. About less than 20 ringgit, about 90 ringgit and 50 cents only. Then you can check what you have, like all the outstanding credit, all the credit card, personal loan, housing loan, car loan, all will be here, include the PDPDN also. Then you can see over here, the second item will be the special attention account. Special attention account means some of them you forget to pay the credit card annual fees. Your message bill, DG bill will be in here also. Then you need to settle first, only can apply the housing loan. It will take some time. Why not you print the secret report first before you go and apply any housing loan, business loan also. Then the third will be application for credit. All your application to all the different banks will be shown here also. Then last will be your secret report, whether either 0, 1, 2, 3. If your case is more than 3 or 4, a lot of banks cannot approve already. So what we're going to advise you will be settle. Maybe example, your credit card, about 20,000, you got 3 months, 4 months you didn't pay. You must settle your credit card fully. Then after that, cancel the credit card. Next month, when we run the secrets, 15th of the month, this credit card will not show in the secrets report anymore. Then you can apply any housing loan or any loan. Okay, good. I think we have bank a lot of package. We got commission, submit, flexi, semi-flexi, and fixed rate also. Recently, the bank rate is the lowest. How lowest? Can up to 2.85. Average about up to 3.3. But because the rate now a bit low, but when the market is going up, definitely, I mean the bank or the OPO are going up, the rate also going up also. But some of my customers, they will choose the fixed rate to hedge the interest. This is what our client doing. Then after that, bank also got some zero moving costs, non-zero moving costs. Some of the customer lack of some money, so they will choose the zero moving costs. So means the legal fees, stamp duty, disbursement, processing fees, all is included inside the loan or fee. Okay, then bank package also got zero lock-in period or no lock-in period. This is for the investor. Definitely, they will find a package with no lock-in period. Okay. Then, sorry, this is what I want to share. Maybe in the chat room, or you got any question, you can ask me also. Then, if anyone want to know more, this is my first Facebook page. You can go and like also. Thank you, Surin.
Okay. Andrew, very quick one. I expect to squeeze you a little bit more. Just now, I see. Can you go back a little bit on your slides? Maybe I asked you a question in your slide just now. They are asking about the secrets one. Just now you mentioned if you pay, just now you see the number 1, number 2, number 3 in the right hand side. But how serious is the number 1, number 2, number 3? Is it like number 2 is okay? Or is it like number 3 then only red light? What is the seriousness? Maybe we can share a little bit on this part. So this one is very important. A lot of us don't know how serious it is. Maybe you can share your experience a bit on this.
Yeah. So okay, for the secret report, like what I mentioned, advice is from time to time go and print out, because our IC very easy to get. Some of the client, they use your IC, go and apply the personal loan or some housing loan, then you'll appear in the secret report. Like just now what you mentioned is how serious. Bank point of view, if more than 2, then you're a little bit serious. Okay, so some of the, we need to do some explanation of why got 2. Sometimes maybe go for overseas, forgot to pay, then only for certain case only. If you more than 3, in the secret report, definitely most of the bank will not entertain or accept your case anymore. So if more than 3, you must be careful already. Then what you're going to do is then how to take out your secrets with 3 from your secret report. Then only bank will entertain your housing loan application. Okay, if the 3 just recently only, maybe 3 months, you need to wait for another 9 months, you only can apply the housing loan. If not, then you just have to wait only. So another solution is you must settle the
clear the secrets.
Yeah, you must clear the secrets. If not, cannot.
So when people are coming to look for you guys should be able to advise people. So okay, if let's say I'm a person, I just think about applying loan. Of course, today a lot of guests is watching, and they want to know. Some of us maybe never heard about securities report. Where can they get this?
Okay, so like what I say, the bank diagram you can print the securities report, but now because due to F0 cannot. So maybe later I will send you the online securities report link. Then you just click in, very easy. Just put your name, your email address. They will direct send to you with the securities report nicely. Then if you don't know how to view the securities report, maybe you can give me a call. Then we'll explain on the securities report and how on the securities report in order to buy more property.
And I also know, right, there are also third-party companies that have associated with Bank Negara also providing securities information. Maybe you can name them. Okay.
So now I think recently the CITOS faced some problem. So now today the CITOS just create already. You can go to the CITOS and print also. Okay. So later I will send to you. You can send to our MCM GIC member also.
Okay, I think bro, it's also I'm very curious to know about this. I'm sure a lot of us also curious to know about the type of loan. Just now you mentioned there was flexi, there was non-flexi, Islamic. Maybe you guys, since we got some time, maybe you can share with us what are these loan, the type. When you say conventional, what is conventional? Maybe you can take some time to share with us, because we have some time, bro. So you can just give us some understanding on what are these loans, are these terms, and what do they mean?
Okay. Now, because previously a lot of loan is under conventional, but recently a lot of bank also came up with Islamic package also. But most of my clients now also choose the Islamic package. Why? Because we got the stamp duty discount also. So that's why a lot of my customers looking for the Islamic package. Then, like what you say, flexi or semi-flexi.
So before that, Islamic means only Islam people can, or anybody can?
Yeah, anyone can. Anyone can. Not only. Not only, I mean, Bumi can apply for the Islamic package. But most of my Bumi clients will be take the Islamic package because due to the some Israel
their preference. Okay.
Correct. But recently, most of my clients they use the flexi loan. Why they use the flexi loan? Because these 5 years we do a lot of refinancing. Why refinance? Some of them, the refinance, they settle their credit card debts, some expand their business. Like previously, I shared in the August that time. So most of the people, they settle their financial debts. But another type of person is refinance, cash out for what? Expand their business, for investment. Like what investment? Share market, some Bitcoin, some unit trust. Then once the money from the maybe share market or Bitcoin earn about 10 to 50%, they will come in and put inside the flexi loan. This is called how flexi they are. Then the customer that looking for fixed rate, like what I mentioned, if they scared the BLR or the OPR going up, yes, they will take the fixed rate also. But some of the parents, like the want to buy the house for their children, why they choose the fixed rate? Because some of the parents got money, they want to pay more first, just to avoid the children to take the money out from the bank loan, because fixed rate is considered as a term loan also. Term loan you cannot, not flexi, you cannot take out the money out. Then besides that, just how I mentioned, the zero moving cost, nowadays we can save a lot of cost, then they will choose the zero moving cost. You just cash out any money from 300,000 to 500,000 without pay anything also. Just from other bank, bank A to bank B. This is what we do for the zero moving cost. Now only 1, 2, 3 for white with the zero wing cost, the bank.
Okay. And then the last one, you see the lock-in and no lock-in period. If I'm not mistaken, this Islamic, normally they don't have the lock-in, right?
Yes, correct.
So this is a very important thing. So I think we should be learn about this because sometimes we have in mind we might buy the property for investment, we want to sell within 5 years. So the best thing to do is to go for the no lock-in period. So and maybe if you think of withdrawing money in the middle of financing, maybe we can think about semi-flexi or flexi. So this information I think Andrew actually shared very well, and I think we also it's a trigger guys. So when we are learning about all these things Mr. Andrew here, of course, is experienced 20 years. He cannot vomit everything out one time, right, Andrew? So
that's correct.
So
like what we mentioned on the secrets, if either we can do the pre-approved loan also. So to analyze your income document and the secrets report in order to buy more property. Like we deal with MCM with the Nadayo 2, Subang 2. So we also help your client buy a lot of property also. Thank you, Suri.
So again, thank you, Andrew, for giving us a very compact information. So what we all need to do here, guys, we now a lot of us we know what we don't know, right? We are in a situation where we know what we don't know. Just now, Mr. Andrew give a little bit of brief about all these things. Like Islamic, what is Islamic? If you guys want to learn more, of course, there are sources where you guys can go and know further what are these terms are, and then we can make a better learned a decision. Okay, maybe Andrew, you can stop your sharing so that I can share back my slides. Okay. So again, let's all together give a big round of applause. Okay, in the comment section, maybe you give clap, or maybe you guys can comment 1111. All right, to give clap to Mr. Andrew for lending us a little bit of his time and knowledge, so that we can also learn more about how to prepare loan documents and personal profile for mortgage loan. Of course, these things I also have been following him and trying to learn as much as possible from him. It's a long process. When we face problem, then only we know, oh yeah, this is how should we do this. And if we face another problem, then only we think, yeah, how should we do the other thing. So it's very much case to case kind of situation. Okay, and when we face the problem and we go to Mr. Andrew, he's there to help us, right?